This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start on a computer, so you don't need an Apple ID on Android. Buy or download the tracks in iTunes or Apple Music app. Those files are the source. Once done, make sure you have a USB cable or cloud account ready for transfer and install a capable Android player like VLC. This approach keeps Apple authentication off your phone. It uses purchased or exported files you control. Begin by locating the downloaded track files in your iTunes/music folder. Now convert and tidy the files so playback is smooth. If tracks are AAC, M4A Android supports them, but you may prefer MP3. Use iTunes' Create MP3 version or a reliable converter for batches. While converting, clean up metadata. Set titles, artists, and embed album art so your player shows organized libraries. Once files are standardized and tagged, place them into a single folder. This makes transfers faster and prevents duplicate files or mismatched album grouping on your finish by moving files to your Android and testing playback. Connect USB, switch to File Transfer (MTP), and copy the music folder into Android's music directory. Alternatively, upload to cloud and download on phone. Open your chosen player, let it scan or manually add the folder, then play a few tracks and build playlists. If something goes wrong, check file format and codec first, confirm storage permissions, or reconvert problematic tracks at a standard bitrate like 256 kbps. This solves most compatibility issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.